Hey baby, what you doing?
Huh? I'm just picking up the trash from the doors. Put them in a little doggy bag. What are you doing?
Exactly, what am I doing? Well, what we're doing is we're putting away our RV in storage. And guys, I wanted to share something with you. You know, we haven't done a full walkthrough of our Attitude 23 SA Toyhauler 2019 model. But I wanted to share with you one little project that we did the past couple days, and I just wanted to give you a quick overview. Nothing really fancy. Okay, so here's our 2019 Attitude 23 SA Toyhauler. 23 meaning there's 23 feet of floor space, and of course this is a Eclipse RV product. They're out of Southern California, twin axle. It's got a garage area that shares with the kitchen. Got a little storage over. That's the only exterior storage right there. I got two batteries. I got about 325 watts on the roof, two panels. But I got two deep cycle batteries, electric hitch. Got an Onan 4000 generator. You know, it's got the regular, you know, electric propane fridge, 6-gallon water heater, all the city connections, 30 amp cord, exterior shower. This is what I really love about it. It's got a 40-gallon gasoline fueling station, which is really cool. There's a fuel pump in there, fuel gauge out here, which is kind of cool. That is, of course, for the razor and any other toys you want to fill up. A ladder that I can't use because it's only rated for 175 pounds. And I'm just slightly over that. And of course, we got the razor. Okay. Oh, don't forget our other channel here, barbecue. One of the little things we installed was this little step above step here that folds away into the doorway. It's nice and solid, and in the place of the springy, weak feeling factory fold out stairs, we put in a belly box, which is actually some not the only exterior storage, truly exterior. I keep some chocks, wheel chocks and things like that in there. So anyway, oh, of course, we got this awning here, which is kind of cool. Full LED light package around the entire rig. So let's go inside. Let me show you. Okay, this is the inside here. Sorry for the mess, guys. We have a control panel here with all the typical doodads. Now we have a wine guard, Wi-Fi and cellular signal booster that I put here. This was a roadside flood button that wasn't being used, and so I wired it in with the wine guard, which goes to the roof via a little cableway, and I had to drill the hole for it. Now I'll have to give you the tour of the roof some other day because I'm not getting up there right now. This is our, we have a back porch. You know, this 9-foot ramp door here has cables, so it's actually a 9-foot extension of the porch. And we have these heavy-duty marine-grade vinyl screen zip up, zip down doors, so we can get some fresh air in here. It's like an extension of the house, which is awesome. Got a couple of the Attitude rocking chairs. Got a Jiffy bed up here. It's an RV Queen. It's got a little vent back there. Its own reading light when it's down. Now we have another sofa on this side here, but because you can see the things.
We take it out so we can fit the razor in here.
Yeah, that razor will not fit in this garage with both sofas here, even when they're all the way up in the stowed up position because of the cage. It's literally too tight. If I got a low profile hood on the razor or low profile cage, it would probably fit, but not with the stock cage. So Sassy found a clever way of using space above the cabinets there, which is kind of cool.
For extra storage for things that we don't use every single day, but we have them if we need them.
Yeah, we built the little lip here, little piece of wood here to keep them from sliding off and stuff.
Oh yeah, that one didn't have one, but this one has a lip. This one had a lip, so.
Yeah, it's got a drive over wheel well, which is nice because when I got the RZR in here,
Missing a screw.
the front tire is all the way over on this side, halfway blocking the door. So, and that's a 2-seater RZR, so it just barely fits in here. RV propane stove and 3-burner cooktop. Pretty decent sink. We like the sink because it's a single basin.
Yeah, it's kind of farm style.
Really nice.
I love it.
And you know, it's got the little water thing here. One thing I had a huge complaint about was the factory range hood vent didn't have an opening cut to the exterior. So what I did is I upgraded to this Furrion with LED lights, really high efficiency and better CFM. But I had to cut an exterior hole and then put an exterior vent connection out there. Didn't come with it, which is strange. Got a little area above here, above the Dometic typical RV refrigerator. It's basically my junk. I'm going to probably put another shelf here and maybe screen it or something. Got a little TV, Jensen. Yeah, it does the trick.
Jensen junk.
Of course, the generator remote start here. And we got the propane heater down there. And then we have our circuit breakers right there. You guys probably saw this. We added this little Lowe's little pre-painted cabinet to go on the end there because we just needed a little bit of extra storage here for, you know,
This is our bar drawer.
that kind of stuff. And it fits between the Jiffy bed sofa rack and this. So
That's usually where we put the ice maker up here. It expands the space here. And the coffee maker.
got a single roof AC unit right there. Someday I'd like to convert that to a heat pump. Got another vent. Got 4 roof vents all together. Got one above the bed when it's down. One right there, which would be like the kitchen one. And then you guys probably all want to see the bathroom. So not a whole lot to see here. We have everything stowed for travel, but got another one right there. And
You put another lip on that one.
yeah, I put a lip right here to prevent stuff from sliding out. Apparently, Eclipse didn't really think of that, so I did it for him. Tiny little vanity, but you know, it gets the job done. Another thing I want to someday upgrade is put a skylight above the shower. They sell them, and it gives us a lot more headroom. But really, we got just enough room in here. And honestly, you know, for what we do in here, I mean, do we need a lot more?
Help with our space. I hang the towels here. Little baskets with this, and that, and all our doodads in there. It's comfy.
Yep.
It's a big bathroom.
So we got another door here. So the bedroom door. Oh, of course, Dometic. Everybody has one of these here. What I like about this is it's got lights everywhere. And so here into the master stateroom, we have it's pretty spacious. It's an RV queen. Ceci put down these little area rugs, which are nice. So, and we have twin cabinets on the other side, overhead. We got another roof vent in here. Of course, we have 3 speaker zones, 2 outside, 2 in the bedroom here, and two out here, which is kind of cool. Instead of a TV, I went and bought this little fan here. It plugs right in here. And of course, we have the solar charge controller, Zamp Solar, which is kind of nice. We've got another window. This is an escape window. Right here, next to my side, is where the generator lives. And of course, we got more cabinet space here.
That's Sunshine's bed.
Yeah, one of our little dogs sleeps right here. This is always good to have these things to shove up in there into the roof vents when you're in really cold conditions. We'll go up the mountains from time to time, and it's really handy. So what I wanted to show you guys is related to that generator, and we have some under bed storage, which most RVs have. In this case, it's not fresh water like what a lot of people do that build schoolies and even some high-end Class A's and Super C's. They put their fresh water tanks under there so they don't freeze. But we have a fully enclosed and vented, heated underbelly, so we don't really seem to have much of a problem with freezing water. But let's show you what's under here. Okay, so this is our storage. So this is the other half of that exterior storage I was showing you. One of the things that we needed to do was put some carpet on the board because what's happening, you know, if you spend a lot of money on sheets and comforters and things like that, it's going to get hung up on these edges here and rip. So I glued and stapled this interior exterior grade carpet down, flipped it over here. And then this storage area. Now from our generator quiet box video, I had some rock wool insulation that's not only does it have some good R value, but it's also a soundproofing material. And what I did was I took everything out of here and then I cut some panels using a serrated bread knife. It cuts really easy. And rock wool is a product that has finely ground up rock dust and cellulose and basically newspaper, and they make a fire resistant, heat resistant type of sound deadening insulation. So what I did is I formed the panels and I put them in, you know, I had about 1.5 inch cavity here, and literally this little 1/16 of an inch or 32nds of an inch panel was all that was separating us from this compartment here, and partially from this generator compartment. So what I did is I lined this with the insulation, and then fabricated these little panels here that are about 1/16 of an inch, and then just used some metal screws so they're removable. And now we
beefed it up quite a bit.
Yeah, it adds a little strength to it, and it also kind of deadens some noise. Plus, I've lined the bottom with the same kind of carpet here, and eventually I'm going to line the entire thing with carpeting, and that makes it a nice little clean storage compartment. It's not only, you know, inside, but it kind of separates it from the tool storage and that cold air that you can get sometimes from having an exterior door there. And of course, any additional noise that the generator makes, this helps kind of quiet it down a little bit.
Keep out any additional critters too.
Yeah, so I think overall it's
strengthened this a lot. I like it. I think you did a fabulous job. Look how sturdy it is now. Even
yeah, you can see. And I'll flash some before and after photos here, which I got. 2-day total project. Apologize I didn't show you guys how I did this, but basically that was pretty simple. It's just carpet you stretch out and use some adhesive, 3M spray adhesive, and some staples. Pretty easy to do, but you know, I wrapped it around.
And we are going to be getting rid of this monstrosity, this nasty spring bed. I mean, that's why I initially put this 3-inch pad on here, because the first night in this, it was like, uh-oh. It looked like it was going to be comfortable, but we could feel the springs.
There's actual springs. This is an RV Queen. I don't even know what brand it is. But let me try, you know, it's cheap. You can feel each individual spring, coil springs. We're getting rid of it. We're getting a 10-inch memory foam. And this is 3 inches here, so 10 inches is just like another 7 of that. And we're going to replace it with that. It's going to be a lot more comfortable, probably even better insulation value. And one of the other little gripes we had with this attitude is you can see this little handle here. Now, I don't have much of a problem on my side, but see, when you open it, it hits the valance here. And you can only open it up about that wide. You know, so what we did over here on Sassy's side was I just got rid of it and put a little round knob on there. Now we could probably...
It opens a little more.
Another inch.
Before it would open to here.
Yeah.
And now it opens a little more, which is great, because I couldn't hardly get in here. I'm standing here like this, trying to get into my closet.
Ideally, what they would have done is redesign that valance to let you open it up fully. Just another poor design. I know they're fighting with space here on the 23-foot SA, but God, that was ridiculous. Let me show you again how ridiculous that was. Look at that. We're only talking that much. You know, come on, guys. They could have figured something out and, you know, been a little bit more clever. Anyways, got nice lights over there. Okay.
Maximizing our space.
Space savers.
These things that you put in your closet, I put these here to put our foldable shirts and shorts, clothes, whatever, and then a bin right here. Goes all the way to the, extends all the way to the back, and you can roll up pants right here. Anyway, I just clever use
We got a little
space.
stick-up light there. Why don't you turn on that light? So I bought these little puck lights, you know, that just are battery powered, but they really help a lot with light. So one of our future plans is to upgrade those batteries to Battleborn lithium solar batteries and get a little inverter going and tie into our panel and try to get at least the outlets working when we're on battery power only. I think it'll be huge, especially when we're boondocking, and so be looking for that kind of upgrade in the future. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. We appreciate you guys if you subscribe, and hey, check out our barbecue channel if you don't mind, if you like barbecue and stuff like that. And we'll see you later.